Constructed between 1908 and 1910, the Gasometer in Schöneberg with its imposing steel structure was a defining feature of Berlin's cityscape for decades. It could store up to 160,000 cubic meters of gas and was granted listed building status in 1994 as an industrial heritage site. After its decommissioning, the building stood empty for a long time until the site became part of the EUREF Campus Innovation Park and the new owners unveiled a project to redesign the landmark. As a result, the Gasometer was fully renovated from 2007 onwards. Although the iconic steel construction was retained in its entirety, the interior space was completely redesigned. A 15-story office tower with approximately 35,000 square meters of usable space was integrated into the circular floor plan. The renovation was completed in 2024 and the Gasometer was converted into a modern office and event center that already meets the German government's climate targets for 2045. It is the facades from the systems provider Schüco, constructed, developed, fabricated and installed by the FKN Group, that define the architecture of the new office tower in particular. Implemented as a special construction, the unitized facade features smooth curves, slimline profile face widths and uniform facade lines that come together to create a stunning, timeless design. Schüco facade systems can be precisely tailored to project-specific requirements, a key benefit for complex geometries like those in the Gasometer. The installation was a true tour de force. Around 1,000 facade units were prefabricated in the factory and delivered to the building site ready for installation. The high level of prefabrication greatly simplified the construction site logistics, reduced installation times and ensured that even an extraordinary building like the Gasometer could be fitted with an attractive, energy-efficient building envelope in a very short period of time. Its incredible installation scenario, with only 1 meter's width of space between the steel construction and building shell, was handled with confidence. A specially developed track system transported the units, which were up to 8 meters tall and 2 tons in weight, around the building before they were craned in at their installation height. The unitized construction method enabled fast and ultra-precise installation, a key factor for a project of this scale. A further challenge was the wind load at a height of over 70 meters, a tremendous load for external sun shading. The system from Schüco is able to withstand these loads and creates a balance between climate protection, the use of natural light and reserved design. Overall, 16,000 square meters of unitized facade and 8,100 square meters of sun shading from Schüco were installed. All made from aluminium, a material that is ideal for circular construction as it can be reused an almost unlimited number of times in a high-quality recycling process. The facade units that are currently installed can later be made into new aluminium building components. This reduces carbon emissions and conserves resources. The renovation has transported the Gasometer into the present without losing sight of its heritage. It is a landmark that preserves history and shapes the future, and proves that redesigning decommissioned Gasometers can be a straightforward, reliable and sustainable process with partners like Schüco. An inspiration for the conversion of many other industrial buildings that are waiting for their future.